You're gonna be a comedy?
No, it's gonna be a horror film.
Oh, really?
Check, 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 check. Who check?
I felt bad that we were recording all that when they're like definitely did not want to be recorded.
Well, at least some of the sound is fine.
Come to Harlem.
Alright, band meeting. We're going to be talking about jazz today. From down under. Jazz theory, jazz... or jazz... You got to sing better.
I'm just trying to film the class to see how it goes. If you guys are comfortable with it, that's our first question. Is we're gonna have to ask and see if you guys are done as us filming you.
Oh, definitely. I think Alan, he's the guy to talk to.
Yeah, we talked to him. He's just. I just need to say like, hey, we're gonna film you just as a kind of legal thing.
Great. Well, have fun.
Yeah, thank you.
What if they end at like 12:15? I just want the other class to start so we can hurry up, shoot, get sound.
Harlan.
Did that for like 2 minutes. The little rush I did have is now gone. Thanks, guys. I don't really care. I want a big rush.
Just gonna record this. The prevailing opinion is that it's better to not think before you speak. Do you concur, Professor?
Well, George Bush is my hero. Enough said.
I'm gonna have to think about that.
Hmm.
Does that answer your question?
Not good.
He's the king of not thinking when he speaks. Okay, those are the people standing there. It looks like the class is about to get out. What? Those people are standing out.